Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here, and welcome back to another crypto video. Microsoft has just won a US patent for a crypto token creation. What? American tech giant Microsoft has been awarded a US patent for techniques for implementing a cross-chain token management system to help users develop blockchain applications by making it easier and more efficient to create crypto tokens for different distributed ledgers. The United States Patent and Trademark Office granted the patent to Microsoft's subsidiary, Microsoft Technology Licensing, and according to the patent, creating and managing tokens is currently difficult and cumbersome due to the lack of standardization across different blockchains. And apparently, Microsoft filed for the patent in February 2019. It described a ledger independent token service or a software service enabling individuals and organizations to create and manage tokens across multiple DL networks and platforms. And firms included in the patent filing include major blockchain platform Ethereum, IBM-backed Hyperledger Fabric, JP Morgan's enterprise blockchain platform Quorum, R3 Corda, and Chain Core. What? Really? So I'm at a loss for words right now. They filed this back in 2019 beginning already? It's been out and about for that long. So the described computer system offers templates for various attributes and control functions. Those would depend on the type of token required, representing, for example, a digital or physical asset. And once the user has selected the desired template, the system creates the token on the designed or designated network. And the system also provides a common interface for managing the tokens, so developers don't have to worry about token-specific code to interact with them. According to the patent's authors, they describe the system as it makes development more efficient for emerging businesses use cases that involve crossing ledger boundaries. And I'm so at awe. I'm amazed right now. Microsoft has been actively involved in blockchain-related development for recent years, filing a wide number of patent applications related to crypto industry. Latest year, the tech giant filed a patent for a crypto system enabling individuals to mine crypto using their body activity data in an effort to remove the need for specialized mining devices. If you're wondering why I'm twitching a little bit in my speech, it's because I'm that excited and that amazed by this. I do wonder exactly how it's going to turn out. It's a pretty big deal, pretty interesting. And I do also wonder, what else are they working on in the background that we cannot see just quite yet? Because this is pretty damn crazy. All right, but having said that, guys, by the way, make sure you check out Bybit. A link is down below. Right now, there are $3,600 worth of bonuses that you can get. Might be worth it to check it out. As I said before, a link is down below. And yeah, go check it out. All right, Alexis Ohanian, David Swartz, and more to keynote Apex. Well, today, we're thrilled to announce the keynote speakers for Apex, the inaugural XRP Ledger Developer Summit hosted in partnership with the XRP Ledger Foundation. And I just want to quickly share here the names of people who are going to be speaking. We have Alexis Ohanian, the 776 founder. We have David Swartz, Vitsavind, Monica Long, and I believe a couple of other speakers are going to include Quincy, the Coin Club individual, and a couple of other YouTube figures that are mostly involved with developing, basically. But yeah, I'm not going to be attending, I don't think, September 29th and September 30th, even online. I'm going to try my best to make it to the online part of things, but I don't know, guys. It's not really my area too much. I'm really interested in developers. No, sorry, guys. Let me stop talking. I'm really interested in the development level, but I think that a summit like this is too difficult for me to really understand. Then again, never mind. I'm going to get there. I'm going to have to watch it. I'm going to have to force myself through it. And you know what? If they're talking about a certain specific type of code, I will Google it on the spot. Because actually, guys, I just realized I can't let anybody down. Some people do understand, even most likely, less from this summit than I do. So hopefully I can still pick up something to try and explain it to people. I might just have to go and sit next to a programmer who's going to watch it with me to explain things in baby language to me so I can explain it in even bigger language to you guys. Whew. All right, I'm going to have to set up some plans, couple of meetings, and get this done because, well, it's an XRP summit. The SDBC, he can't slip on that one. I have to be there or be square. All right. high-risk XRP traders might want to check out these levels. A lot of you guys actually got angry with me from a certain perspective that I talked about the price and about where I think it's headed, and I understand. Because I actually really despise people who talk about the price too much, and then I am doing it myself on the basis that I only want to talk about price when we're considering a settlement or when we're considering a big move, not just the basic TA if I'm not actually doing any trading for it myself. If I do trading though, I'll tell you. But what I also saw today was this little tweet right here of a pretty well-known figure, Cameron Foos. He said, "Sell XRP, I did it, mind-blowing Ripple price prediction and strategy." I didn't watch the video itself, but I do sometimes also wonder, people selling XRP, just why? Just why, right? Just why? Then again, he most likely has his own reasoning for it, but I don't know. I don't really feel as if selling XRP is ever a smart choice. Do you guys think so? Have you ever sold any XRP? Let me know in the comment section down below. I don't really sell XRP. I might sometimes sell a little bit out of my XRP long position, but that's about it. That's really about it. All right, another billionaire ramps up crypto investments as Bitcoin gains mainstream acceptance. Billionaire Simon Nixon has decided to increase allocation to crypto in his family office, C Capital. Guys, remember, billionaires are holding. It's not a joke. It's not a maybe. It is happening. Now, all coins to buy. Crypto experts shared the best investing opportunities they're seeing outside of Bitcoin. I'm going to tell you guys, XRP is my number one. Hey, that's a nice. Is that a nice little date right there? So, if we're talking about investment opportunities, I'm going to call out XRP as the number one best risk to reward ratio for right freaking now. And I know people will disagree with me on this one, saying, oh, he's just talking about it because he's biased, blah, blah, blah. Guys, I'm not biased. I don't care if you buy or sell the coin. Please, 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 please understand. I really do not mind you buying or selling. It's all about what I think will work best for you. And I think XRP is right now one of the best cryptos because just think about it. What if it gets a settlement going? Just a settlement. It sounds like a whole lot, sounds like a little bit. You think about it what you want to think. When I say I think a settlement can break the entire crypto space, I mean it, all right? I think a settlement can be the breaking of the entire crypto space, and you name any other project that has such a big break, game-changing potential. Cardano has the smart contract launch. You know, we have September 12th here, which is pretty big, okay. Which I guess can come second in terms of what could happen that's already been planned, sort of. And of course, any other crypto out there might get something going for themselves, which has not been planned, right? We can't really see that because it's not been put on paper, right? It's about, in my opinion, the things which you know right now, which might happen, which is, for example, XRP settlement, that I should value and talk about right there. Then traders turned cautious about Cardano ahead of Jackson Hole Symposium. No idea what that is all about. This is the standard stuff, guys. People always find a way to talk some stuff down. No real reason, no real big thing, no real anything you need to know about, to be honest with you. Early on Friday, Cardano is trading cautious after its slight lower as investors stay away from the crypto market ahead of Fed Jackson Hole's Symposium, going along with Bitcoin, which has broken down under 48K. It was trading at recently. At the time of writing, ADA is around 259. Investors are staying away to the markets as they wait to hear on the Fed's strategy and a possible timeline on when it could start pulling back on its asset purchase program. This has driven up the strength of the US dollar at the moment as investors move to its safety and away from trading riskier crypto until more clarity emerges. Analysts expect higher levels of volatility among riskier instruments after Fed Chair Jerome Powell concluded his speech later in the day, which could potentially drive up interest in Cardano and other digital currencies once again. No, I don't really believe so, guys. I think if you're talking Forex, okay, because they're going to switch over from one currency to the US dollar. But with crypto, I don't really believe in that too much, as I think a lot of these guys are here for the longer term. There's not that many short-term quick scalpers as with Forex. Then Bitcoin to trade at 100K in 6 months, but expect sell-offs, says Midas Touch MD. Well, long story short, there's going to be a lot of sell-offs. There could even be a 70% one, yeah. But eventually, crypto will keep going up as time moves on. I'm not really too afraid of all these intermediary things because, well, as long as you keep holding, it's just temporary, right? So, not really a big problem. And then crypto price update, XRP and Cardano continue to fall. Once more, this is a FUD type of article. The entire crypto market is falling. It's not like XRP or Cardano was having anything really crazy or scary happening for them. That's just people trying to put that into the back of your head. And guys, I actually got a letter to my home just now about this one. Did you guys also see it on Twitter? I posted a letter. I got 2 letters. One is a personal letter addressed to me. A second one is a just kind of a spammy email, but then put onto text on the address, which is not my home address, but it's a place where I receive mail. Let's put it like that. And in one of those addresses, basically, there was a folder. I think last month I got it, of hex and something else, different name I forgot. Just kind of spamming me to go buy it or how amazing it was, which is kind of dumb. But apparently, if you look at the market cap which they have specified, it's up pretty high, which is rather interesting. It's bigger than XRP, they make it look like. That is interesting to me. But yeah, guys, make sure you check out XRP over on Bybit. Just make sure you check out Bybit in general. It's the platform I use to trade. It's pretty cool, so you might want to check it out. And that was it for today's video. Hopefully you all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you press the like button and subscribe. And I will definitely see you guys again in another crypto video later today. Take care, everybody.